Hi everyone.
Hi there. What a beautiful morning. We've decided to take a wee trip out in our kayak in the Bay of Morar, west coast of Scotland. Such a beautiful day, absolutely gorgeous. So calm as well, sun's shining all morning, very warm, must be in the low 20s. I'd just like to say, we've been running our digital business now for 4 months and we're getting on very, very well. Very happy and very pleased. We can take this business anywhere with us. At the moment we're staying in a lovely campsite in our motorhome, totally self-sufficient and enjoying this lovely freedom that this digital business has given us so far. If you would like to know more, could you please register for our complimentary class and we will help you through anything you want to know. Any questions that you have, we can answer them. The address is www.garyandmaureen.com. Have a lovely day guys and enjoy the scenery here in stunning Scotland. Bye.
Bye.